Welcome to this video. Glad to have you here in this video. I'm going to give you a short video, but it's going to be good if you want to make money with Amazon affiliates or niche sites, SEO ranked sites. Doesn't have to be Amazon affiliates in this video. I'm going to show you the quickest possible way, the way I recommend if you need to make money yesterday. So if you're wanting to make money really quick, this will also help you if you've tried Amazon affiliates and you find that it just takes too long. I'm going to tell you a couple of considerations and the quickest way to get yourself up and off the ground and making money, so you can relax a bit and start building goals and not having to worry about money so much. So firstly, let me talk on that point. Number one, the very first thing that you want to do before you start is know how to do it. Okay, I know that sounds obvious, but when I'm talking about niche sites, I'm talking about not just Amazon affiliate sites, I'm talking about any site that is ranked via SEO. So you might have ClickBank products on there, you might have AdSense on there, you might have your own ads on there, any ads like banner ads that you're renting out. You might be building a site for a company to rank, okay, like an SEO site. You might have share a sale and affiliate window and web gains affiliate programs on there. And if you don't know what that means, they're just different affiliate programs that you can use. But the main point that I'm illustrating is it doesn't have to be Amazon. Okay, I'm going to tell you the quickest possible way. The next thing that you have to think about is how quick you need money. So really simple answer. There's pros and cons to this method. But you just need, if you need money straight away, like really quickly, I'll tell you the best way to go about it, in my opinion. And then you need to, I recommend building sites to keep as well. Okay, and the reason this came about is twofold. Number one, because of this site here, I'm actually building a site that I'm going to flip on Flipper, and it's ranking well, relatively well, you know, for the age of the site. And it's only got 9 pieces of content, and it's getting ranked, and it's got some fairly decent positions, and all it's got on the site so far is reviews. And I could sell this right now for about $400, $500, $600, and I just wanted to, a lot of people spin their wheels with this stuff, so I just want to give you something that will really help. Another thing that will really help you if you're interested is check out the link in the description. I've put a link to this page. Check out the video. It's called the Azon Elite Academy. It's your special invite for the Azon Elite Academy. What that will give you in a nutshell is, if you're really stuck with this stuff and you want to get building sites that are profitable, it allows us to work together. It's a very limited offer. I have literally got enough room for 2 more people. Originally I opened up 3 spots. They went really quickly. I'm letting 2 more in, and that's it. And what we do in a nutshell is, I pick the niche, I do all the keyword research, and I write all the content, and you get step-by-step personal coaching, so you put it on the site. Okay, watch the video for details on it. It is half price, so if you want in, that's a fantastic way to get going, because not only will you be able to get super fast results, because we'll be working together, you'll know you're in a good niche, you know you've got good keywords, you know the site's going to rank and make sales, but you also get to actually learn this stuff and do it. So by the time, not only will you end up with a site that's profitable, but during our time together, you're actually learning how to do this stuff. Without a doubt, putting content on the site and SEOing it and writing content and all of that stuff, these are the huge bugbears that hold people back. The big one is the content, then you got all the SEO and stuff, then you got putting on the site and plugins and second guessing and so on. This way, I write all the content, we make sure we're in a niche that you like, and we make sure, you know, you've got all that sorted, and then I write all the content and you put it on the site. And I don't leave you in the dark on that. I've got personal video coaching for you that shows you how to do that, and you get full support. So that's why it's really limited. Check it out. Check out the video at the top if you're interested in that. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, so let's get on with the video. I want to tell you in this video the quickest way. If you're sat there now and you're like, okay Chris, get on with it, I want to see the quickest way to make money, recommendations. How would you do it? Number one, I would do this. The first thing that I recommend you do if you want to make money super fast, really fast, is this. You're going to be able to build a site quicker you're going to be able to actually do the work quicker than it will take to rank on Google high up, okay? That doesn't mean it takes ages to rank. By the time you've built the site and done the content properly, you will be able to get rankings. So if we look at the zero turn mower site, the one I've just shown you, and it's got 9 pieces of content and it's doing well, you know, it's ranking for 93 keywords, it's getting clicks, it's got over 1,000 people see it, it's got a few first page positions, and this is the sort of site that I'm talking about. I wouldn't be worried about the positions at this point, but it's nice to see that it's sort of there, and I could sell the site as a good starter site right now. So what I'm saying is, in terms of you writing content and building the site, if you need money as quickly as possible, the first thing that I would do is I'd write down a goal of how long it will take you to build a site. So I'd write the goal down for a 30-page site, or a 20-page at the bare minimum, because you want to have enough content on there to be able to flip it. I'm going to walk you through how to do it, but 20-30 pages at a bare minimum. The reason being is that by the time you've got that amount of content on there, you've got it set up on the search console, you're going to be ranking, and you're going to be able to see results there, okay? And then you can flip it even if it's not making sales, and I'll show you exactly how I would do it. And if you're worried about this stuff, I've got a course coming that's free that will show you how to do this and go through it more step by step, okay? I just want to give you the quickest possible way, and then keep an eye out for the course. Do like the video if you like it, and let's get on with it. So the first thing I would do is this. I'd go to browse, I'd go to websites, and I would go to content, and I would go to review, okay? Because we're building niche sites, you don't have to do Amazon. I'll walk you through it in just a second. Okay, you can see here straight away the stuff that's coming up is sites. Look, there's one here, Pool Cleaner Lab, 3 years, and it's an AdSense site, okay? You've got here the generator power, $25,000, 5 years, AdSense. You've got here productcomparison.co, 5 bids, it's at $5,000, less than a year old, okay? $5,000. What you want to do is, and what I normally do, this is quite a good, straight away we can see most relevant, but what I normally do is just tick blog as well, and then I'll leave the keyword. Sometimes I type Amazon in there just to see the Amazon, but I want to go down here and I want to see the recently sold ones as well, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to look through the most relevant first and see if any catch your eye. So the main things that you'd be looking at first if you want to make money really quick is the site age. So you want to keep it as low as possible, but you know, anything up to 3 years is fine, because all you're going to do is replicate the site. I'll walk you through that in just a second. But 1 year AdSense, anything on AdSense is fine as well. You know, Amazon here, 4 years, 1 year AdSense, anything on AdSense is fine, because you can put AdSense on it. There's literally very little difference. All you're doing is it's a different ad revenue on there, a different banner ad, and that's it, okay? Make sure that if you're going to put AdSense on, you stay in line with all the AdSense rules. So whatever affiliate program you're using, make sure that you stay in line. But all you're doing, so for the process, is you're just looking for something as close to a year as possible, 2 years up to 3 years, okay? Then what you want to do, like here, okay, what you want to do is, once you've seen that, is you want to go to most relevant and go to most active, and that will bring you up the ones that are most active. Look, Amazon, 1 year, $3,500 sold, okay? Here's a really cool thing. So I'll just get into the stuff that will help you. Accessory advisor, 2 years, 15,100. General knowledge, $72 per month, 4,000. You're looking for something that is, this is one of the most active sites, okay? So if we go here, skilled welder, I think I said shield welder, okay? Skilled welder, okay? turnkey site with over 100,000 words of quality content. So this one's actually sold for $3,500 and it got 139 bids and it ended 84 days ago. So you're looking for something like this. You don't have to go into this one, okay? But if you need to make money straight away, what you can do is just build a site that you already know will sell on Flipper. If this has had 139 bids and only one person has purchased it, that's 138 people that bid on this that didn't win it. I know, amazing maths and amazing intellect working that out, but what it does tell us is that there's still people right now that have missed out on that site. And yes, when you build a site, it's not going to be as... This one was only making $6 per month. It's only 1 year old, okay? It's got growing traffic, but because the site isn't rip-roaring, okay, meaning it's not getting loads and loads of sales in and so on, you can replicate a site like this really, really easy, really quickly, get it on Flipper, and it will sell, okay? And I'll just show you how to do that. Okay, so you got here, and you can always see on the sites, one, you can see all the details, so if we go down, you can see all the stuff that they've put about it. It's worth reading this. I'm selling all my sites and getting out of the industry. What would the business be perfect for? More advanced folk can take this site to the next level with SEO alone. Amazon affiliates. It's a really nicely made site and traffic continues to grow. You can see the profit and the traffic stats as well. Here we go, traffic. There's no traffic data there, which is strange. I recommend having Google Analytics and making sure that you've got all that stuff on there, Search Console, all the standard stuff. But the cool thing is here you can see skilledwelder.com, and here's the site, skilledwelder.com, and you can see about me. It's got a few ads on there, okay, Audible ads on there. Amazon ads on there, AdSense ads down the bottom here, and you can see all the content that they've got on the site. So you can see the post here, and got other ads on there, but you can see all the content, how they've written it, exactly how they've laid it out, and you can just simply replicate this. So if you want to make money quickly with a niche site, my recommendations are to build a site that's already sold for a good price and just start say if you got a site like ultimatewelder.com, okay, or whatever was available, and you just replicated it. Now you don't have to go and replicate it word for word, and you don't have to follow it like literally the same keywords in the same order. Okay, but if you just started doing this and seeing, you know, up to 20-30 pages perhaps, and then sticking this on Flipper and starting it at a low bid, and even mentioning this, so you don't have to mention the listing, but you can go, this site was inspired because I'm looking at building sites that will rank for people and do really, really well and give them all the keywords, and this was a site that this was inspired off a site that has recently sold for over $4,000. So I wanted to replicate that and give someone a really, really good starter site. So you can tell the truth. Who would have thought? And you can put that on, and you know, you don't have to do as much content as is on here, but that's exactly how you do it. That will make you money really, really fast. And the only thing that you need to know how to do is, number one, all of the WordPress stuff. Okay, standard WordPress stuff, install WordPress, put your theme on and all of the stuff. The second thing that you need to know how to do is SEO and you know how to build a site so it will actually rank, because that needs to be done properly. You also need to how to lay out the site and make sure that it's on Search Console and Google Analytics straight away, so you've got stats, and then whatever affiliate program that you're using. And if you can do that and obviously write the content, then you're going to, that's how simple it is. And you don't have to use this one. You could look through Flipper and find some other choices. There's loads and loads out there that will again, you're going for as low down in the site age as you can, and the most active and the most money. So we could even go here, highest price, and you can see the sort of stuff and the niches that are selling really, really well, and just replicate one. Here's the site age, 2 years, and you're also look at the pictures of them. So the ones that are close to a sort of review site, you can see here, although that's a 15-year-old site, but you get what I mean. You do have to do some sifting about, find the low ones that aren't that old and they sold really, really well, and do that, and you'll be able to make money really, really fast. And if you want to do it together, get the site built, or if you just want to build a site that you can keep and actually learn this stuff, do check this out. It's below in the description. Check out this video how we can work together, and it gives you everything. Okay, it gives you a high paying niche that pays at least $30 to $50 per sale, keyword research done for you, content done for you, step-by-step personal coaching so you can load all the content in and SEO it. And the reason that that's really cool is you'll be doing it and you're actually learning this stuff so you can then go out and do it yourself. Okay, so it's really, really that will help you more than any course that you're left confused with and not sure what to do. That gives you everything that you need to know to do. So I hope that made sense. That's how you make the quickest possible money. You don't have to use Amazon affiliates. You can follow suit off the site that you're using to replicate. Okay, you're not copying their content, you're just going into the same niche and building a site of value that you already know is going to sell with all the research done for you. So go and use that. Give us a thumbs up. I've got a little course coming up that's free that will show you how to do this with a breakdown of tasks and so on, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.